So the back of it, let's say, today we are unboxing something. I don't know why the hell it says story box. My father didn't tell me what he was buying, so I will open it. I swear, if we got a damn storybook, now I'm opening this bad boy and it's very hard. Yep, no, I got it open. So now let's see the first thing. What? Harry Potter one with a golden situation. That's it. Nothing else in the box today. Now I'm gonna open it first. Let's see. Now it looks like my father didn't scam me and that he bought what I wanted. So thank you, Daddy, Dad. Yeah. Looks like he also got me. This is what my dad bought. Yeah. Get out. It looks like this is what my father bought me. How am I supposed? Okay, yeah. Like this, I think. Funny. My father is saying use the knife, bruh. But I be like, no need. Okay. I opened this thing and now let me feel the first thing that came with it, the wand. At least I like Harry Potter so that I'm not like not happy with this. I'm like very happy with this thing. So expedition mode on. Oh, well that was easy. It's got the details and everything. Okay. Looks good enough. Now I'm gonna open all this stuff. Now it's the golden snitch locket that. So I'm just gonna look. Ah. Get in. Okay, this is what it looks like. Harry Potter. Now this is a spell user, like a guide to incantations. These are the These are like wand motions. Oh yeah, these are spells. Ridiculous all this, and these are like wand motions. No, same thing. Okay. Alohomora, all this. Mind will be okay. All of this is now done. Now, London to Hogwarts, platform 9.25. Well, this is a ticket to the King's Cross station. So that's it for the video, guys. Bye bye.